Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who had a Deuk laser disc repair. What was it, a week ago?
Yes, 1 week.
1 week, and we did 3 discs. So, how you feeling?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm very happy I did it, and I would recommend it to anyone that's having trouble with their, especially with their lower back and their sciatica. It changed my life.
What kind of problems were you having before surgery?
I was having trouble walking. My legs felt like they were 1,000 pounds each. I was uncomfortable all the time, and because I was a caretaker, and I was just in pain all the time until I had my surgery.
And what kind of pain? Your back was hurting? Your legs were hurting?
Both. My back, my legs, both legs. My left leg was numb for a year. My right leg was starting to get numb, and that's all gone. The sciatica pain was unbearable, and I don't have any of that anymore. Because I love this guy right here.
So
this
happy for
guy.
you. And so now you're getting back to doing things normally?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good,
Thank
good.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Getting my life back.
You're absolutely welcome. It's my pleasure. Is there anything else you want to say to our audience?
Just if you're having any back pain, come and see Dr. Deuk and his team, because they're wonderful. And I was nervous to come here, and they made me feel so comfortable, all of them. And that made a big difference, because I wasn't scared. So.
Good. Yeah, I think fear keeps a lot of people from doing the right thing. So fear and not knowing.
Right.
So you've helped them with that now, because now they know.
I hope. I hope so. I hope so. I hope you feel better.
Yes.
Like me.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Dr. Deuk.